Hi, welcome to my channel, where we learn English in a relaxed and chill way. Today, I'm going to teach you about articles in English. Articles are words that go before a noun to show whether the noun is specific or general. There are two types of articles in English, definite and indefinite. Let's take a look at each one and how to use them correctly. The definite article is the. We use it when we talk about something that is already known or mentioned, or something that is unique or only one of its kind. For example, I saw the movie that you recommended. The movie is already known or mentioned. The sun is shining today. The sun is unique or only one of its kind. We also use the when we talk about specific groups of people, things, or places. For example, the Beatles are my favorite band. A specific group of people. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. A specific place. The internet has changed our lives. A specific thing. The indefinite article is a or an. We use it when we talk about something for the first time, or something that is not specific or one of many. For example, I bought a book yesterday. The book is not specific or one of many. She is an engineer. She is not a specific engineer or one of many. We also use a or an when we talk about a person's profession, nationality, or religion. For example, he is a doctor. A person's profession. She is an American. A person's nationality. He is a Buddhist. A person's religion. We use a before a noun that starts with a consonant sound, and an before a noun that starts with a vowel sound. For example, he has a dog and a cat. Dog and cat start with consonant sounds. She is an artist and an expert. Artist and expert start with vowel sounds. Notice that the sound of the word is more important than the spelling. For example, he is an honest man. Honest starts with a vowel sound. She is a university student. University starts with a consonant sound. Sometimes we do not use any article before a noun. This is when we talk about things in general or when we use plural or uncountable nouns. For example, I like music. Music is uncountable and general. They have children. Children is plural and general. We also do not use any article when we talk about names of people, countries, cities, or languages. For example, John is my friend. A name of a person. France is in Europe. A name of a country. Tokyo is a big city. A name of a city. English is a global language. A name of a language. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. For example, we use the when we talk about names of rivers, oceans, mountains, or deserts. For example, the Nile is the longest river in the world. A name of a river. The Pacific is the largest ocean in the world. A name of an ocean. The Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. A name of a mountain range. The Sahara is the hottest desert in the world. A name of a desert. We also use the when we talk about names of countries that are plural or have a political title. For example, the United States is a powerful country. A plural name of a country. The United Kingdom is made up of 4 nations. A name of a country with a political title. Now that you have learned about articles in English, let's see how much you remember. I'm going to give you 5 sentences with missing articles. You have to choose the correct article from the options given. You can pause the video and write down your answers, or just say them out loud. Are you ready? Let's begin. Moon orbits Earth every 27 days. The correct answer is B. We use the when we talk about something that is unique or only one of its kind. She is honest person and good friend. The correct answer is C. We use N before a noun that starts with a vowel sound, and A before a noun that is not specific or one of many. I like music, but I don't like noise. The The correct answer is D. We do not use any article when we talk about things in general or when we use uncountable nouns. He is doctor from United States. The correct answer is D. We use A when we talk about a person's profession, and D when we talk about names of countries that are plural or have a political title. Nile is longest river in world. The correct answer is B. We use D when we talk about names of rivers, oceans, mountains, or deserts, and when we talk about something that is already known or mentioned. How did you do? Did you get all the sentences right? If not, don't worry. You can always watch the video again and review the rules. I hope you enjoyed this quiz and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English lessons. Thank you for watching, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.